Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne and today I want to show you how simple it is to make these cute little beaded trinket bowls. And you can have them so the beads are on the inside, or they are completely reversible, so you can put your beads on the outside. They're very easy to make, just from a circle of felt, and you need 18 beads. So what I'll do is I'll put a template in the description below, so you've got a template for your circle of felt, and also you've got your template for marking out the position of the beads. What I would do is pop your template on your felt, and you can see that the bead marking position is smaller. That's deliberate, so that you can actually use these points here as exactly where you're going to sew. And this is a soft 4B pencil that I'm using here. Oh, I've just shifted my template. That was sensible, wasn't it? There you go. You can add more beads to the outer of this, but I've found, especially with a bead that's about sort of 5 and 7 millimeters diameter, take all 6 strands of some embroidery cotton, and where you've got your first spot, so in and out, about 2 millimeters either side of that spot, and pull your thread through, but don't knot it. Grab yourself some beads. We'll just use white ones on this grey. And again, go to the next spot and sew inside 2 millimeters, outside 2 millimeters, away from the spot. And carry on around the edge, using those pencil marks as the guide to where to put your needle in and out. Until you've filled all 18 spots. Now, as you start sewing, what you can do is you can gather it up a little bit. Depends how long your piece of thread is to start with. I'd always rather start with too long a bit of thread and then just use the excess thread up in a small piece of embroidery afterwards. Then I end up with too short a bit of thread. So as you can see, I've stitched beads between nearly all of those marks on my circle of felt. Just come into the last couple, or the last couple of 3 actually, hold on. And the final one is then where you will tie the ends of your thread together and then pull to gather up the edge of that bowl and then tie a nice tight knot, like a double overhand knot in there to hold them together. And then you can just ease it out. I'm going to tie a 3rd knot in that for safety's sake. Flip it the right way out and then just thread your embroidery thread back through the last, say, 4 holes. Grab your short edge. This is where you watch me struggle to thread a needle now without 2 pairs of reading glasses on. Oh look, there you go, I've done it. Again, thread that thread back through about 4 beads on the other side. and just trim off your ends of thread. Now this looks quite ropey at the minute. As I say, once you've then carefully pushed out your beads, and you can use them as change trinket pots, or, you know, if you're actually doing a beaded project, they're quite handy to store your beads in. The softer the felt, the more malleable it will be. This is quite a stiff felt, which is perfect for change. You know, you can use it as a pin tray, all kinds of uses, and very easy to make. And also it's one of those projects that you can do with the kids, especially if you've got things like rainbow beads. Perfect for little ones. So I hope you like that. Say the template will be in the description below. And if you'd subscribe to us, we've got lots of other ideas, both sewing, paper crafting, crocheting, all kinds of things. We'd love to see you back. We'd love to hear your comments as well. So please let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. In the meantime, please keep safe and we'll see you soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.